The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series has always been at the forefront of folding technology. Now, the latest leaks about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 give us an exciting sneak peek at what the company has planned for 2026. Instead of a big redesign, Samsung may focus on making the Fold experience better all around with real improvements. Recent rumors from a reliable source, Jason C., say that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 might have the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor. This processor will have better performance, better AI features, more powerful gaming power, and better battery life. It's also likely that Samsung will make the screen better by adding an 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X inner screen and a 6.5-inch cover display that can both support a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung could work on thinner bezels, brighter screens, and a less noticeable crease to make the phones feel more high-end, even if the sizes stay the same. Leaks also say that Samsung might offer models with 12GB or 16GB of RAM, and storage sizes from 256GB to 1TB. One of the best things about the Fold 8 might be the better cameras. A 200-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens are all things that rumors say Samsung might finally add. If this is true, the Z Fold may 8 finally have an ultra-level camera in a folding device. Leaks point to a 5000 mAh battery, faster 45-watt wired charging, and faster wireless charging. The battery is also predicted to get better. When used every day with the new engine, the battery life could get a lot better. The leak makes it look like Samsung isn't making big changes, but rather making the Fold series a better and more powerful top experience. Samsung may have just told the world how it plans to use folding chips in 2026, and some people will not like it. According to a new leak, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Wide might only get power from Snapdragon. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 might switch between Exynos and Snapdragon again, based on the market. Based on a new leak from Aaron Kenya, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide are expected to have Snapdragon processors. The Galaxy Z Flip May 8 still have Exynos processors. The same thing happened with Samsung this year. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Trifold came out with a top-of-the-line Snapdragon chip. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 was the first folding phone in the world to come out with the Exynos 2500 chip, since it wasn't available in the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung might keep doing things the same way in 2026. The expensive book-style foldables, like the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Wide, are likely to use Snapdragon hardware, while the clamshell-style Galaxy Z Flip May 8 have Exynos hardware as its main processor.